Let's get on board Ruchit Jain then to talk a little bit about his flavor of the market. Ruchit, where is it that you're placing your bets?
Probably on the index front, first, we are observing some range-bound trading session today, which has to be because next two trading sessions are off. Positionally, Nifty still has this lower top, lower bottom formation on the daily charts, and looking at that, until 8820 is crossed, we may see such range-bound trading sessions amongst large cap, and that's the reason I've placed my calls in the mid-cap segments today. Specific mid-cap stocks are expected to outperform the broader indices. My first bet is to go long in Tata Coffee. We have seen recently higher top, higher bottom formation amongst all the stocks in the sector. The stock had given a breakout last week from its resistance. Last 2 days it has been consolidating, but the recent volume activity indicates further upside should be there in the momentum. So we are expecting target of around 148. One can buy around current levels with stop loss placed below 124. And my second call amongst the mid-cap names is to go long in Balrampur Chini. This stock has shown a breakout from an inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a trend reversal pattern, and the recent volume activity on the breakout indicates that the stock has resumed a broader uptrend. We are expecting a target of around 129 to 130 in next few trading sessions. One can go long at current levels, keeping a stop loss below 110 in Balrampur Chini as well.
Okay, that's the word coming in from Ruchit on some of the individual stocks. In the meantime, some important news which could be impacting Adani as well. Now, Queensland government has invoked a special power to speed up Adani's Carmichael project. Remember, this is a project which has been stuck, the approval rather of the Carmichael mines in Australia have been stuck with the Environment Ministry for more than a year now. And now it seems that the government has invoked a special power to speed up Adani's Carmichael project. We're going to get you more details really in terms of where things stand as of now and how soon could we actually see a decision and a final one at that with regards to Adani's Carmichael project and the mining thereof, which was stuck with the Environment Ministry in Australia for a while, many months to come. Adani Enterprises is currently seeing a bit of a spike up, but again, there has been so much back and forth really coming in on this particular project that it's not done till it's done really, though you're seeing a bit of a pickup come in. Queensland government invoking the special powers to speed up Adani's Carmichael project, which is a significant one at that. But Mandar as well is on the show with us, so let's get in some quick takes from him. Mandar, what about your stock specific ideas?
Two stocks. First is TVS Motors. The stock looks good on the long term as well as short term charts. In the intraday trade as well, it's looking good. On intraday charts, it's trading on a support between 389 and 388. I think the stock should be able to move up higher in the intraday trade, therefore a buy with a stop loss at 387 for a target of 397. And the second stock is TBZ. This stock had a resistance between 74 and 76 in the intraday trade. Today it broke this resistance. Now as it trades above that level, I think it should head higher to levels of 90-95 in the immediate short term. Therefore a buy with a stop loss at 73 for a target of 95.
There's some more information really coming in. Remember, this Carmichael project is a humongous and ginormous one really for the Adani group, to the tune of about $21.7 billion, I beg your pardon. And now it seems, while this project was earlier bogged down because of opposition really from green groups, now it seems that this is going to be fast-tracked by the Queensland government, which called it a critical infrastructure for the state. The State Development Minister has given a statement yesterday saying that the combined mine, the rail and the associated water infrastructure have been declared critical infrastructure, and the project's special prescribed project status has been renewed and expanded to include its water infrastructure. So that is what the minister said in a release just yesterday. Now he's saying that this step bundles together major elements of the project for the first time: the mine, the 389-kilometer rail line and the water infrastructure, including a pipeline, pumping stations and a dam upgrade as well. So yes, it seems like more than ever before this is going to be a step in the right direction, at least for Adani Enterprises, not really the green groups which have been opposing this sizable project for almost over a year now, really. The Carmichael project seems like this is going to be a possibility now, and it finally seems like there is some light at the end of the tunnel for the Adani Group. Sizable project, $21.7 billion, and it now seems that the government has finally, given a go-ahead or has fast-tracked this particular issue to power up and speed up the things for Adani's Carmichael project and the clearance coming in thereof. But I think Mubina is waiting by, or I think we should take a break before that. Vivek is waiting by to quickly tell us about all the big buzzers in trade. Vivek?
Absolutely. So, today you can't go beyond the two major sections of the market. First one is, if you're looking at the paper stocks, Balkrishna paper mills, take any paper stock, JK paper, Malu paper, Star paper, Nirvikara paper, Seshasai paper and boards, Orient paper, all of them are buzzing in trade. But in the stock that we are focusing on today, the Mami paper mills, the stock has shot up almost 60% just in October itself. And if you're looking at the volumes, to very, very strong volumes. Now the reason why most of the paper stocks are buzzing in trade is the fact that Ballarpur Industries has actually gone ahead and shut down some of its units, which has actually led to a shortage of supply, which has led the current incumbents to actually go ahead and raise paper prices. So this is the reason why you're seeing a very strong up move in some of the paper companies. Or jewelry companies, given the fact that gold prices have actually gone down a little bit and demand during the festive season have gone up. So what you've seen is you're seeing companies like PC Jewelers, Tara Jewels. The stock we are focusing on is Tribhuvandas BMG Jewelers, and volumes for this particular account at 5 times the last 5-day average. It's up 26% just in the month of October. Very, very strong up move seen for this particular counter. And lastly, Repco Home Finance, just post market hours on Friday, we got news reports suggested that the CBI had conducted a search on the MD's house. But however, just around a couple of hours back, the company went ahead and declared to the exchanges that there is no material impact of this particular development on the company's finances. Post which what we are seeing is that very, very strong up move, and the stock has actually almost reversed its entire losses in today's trading session.
Okay, that's a view coming in on all of those interesting movers that are in focus today. But we've got viewer queries as well lined up. We've got an email query sent in to us from Neil in New Delhi. He's got 550 shares of Ambika Cotton. He's purchased it at 1,050. Fairly short-term horizon, and now wants to know if he should hold on or if he should sell. Let's get in a view then as to what exactly should be done. How can we help him out? Mandar, your call on the charts.
Avan, the stock has been trading in a narrow range for the last 1 year. The current range for the stock is between 800 and 890. Now when a stock trades in a range, the stock is basically in an accumulation or a distribution mode, and this is decided only by the direction of the breakout. Therefore, till the time the stock does not break below supports, I think he should continue to hold. Once if the support is broken, we could see lower levels, but at the same time, if the resistance is broken, then the stock also has the potential to rally to 940 to 1060, the current highs that the stock had made. Therefore, I would suggest a hold in the stock with a stop loss at 730.
I got another email query, and this time around from Deepthi Karthik. She's written in from Mumbai itself. She's bought Just Dial shares at the price level of 600 rupees per share. Time horizon is 1 year. Wants to know what she should be doing. Mandar, what would you recommend her? Just Dial is what she bought at 600 bucks.
Aisha, this stock for the last 2 years is trading in a clear downtrend. So the stock from 1800 has come down to the lows of 400. Even if one decides to stay with the trend of the stock price, then it would suggest a clear exit. The only good thing right now on the chart is that there is one final support at 375. The stock trades above this level until it does so. I think this client can hold on to the long position. If this is broken, then that would signal further weakness in the stock. Therefore, hold all existing long positions with stop loss at 370. If that's broken, then exit the stock.
There you have it. That's a view coming in as to what exactly you should be doing with the stock. Hold on with a stop loss at 370. Thanks very much, Mandar, as well as Ruchit, for joining in and sharing with us your technical expertise. Quick break right here on the show. 87.23 on the index. We come right back with some stocks to watch out for from a slightly long-term view.